Biomes: tropical rainforest, desert, tundra, oxbow lakes. Biomes are large natural regions of the Earth that share similar climates, plants, and animals. They are shaped mainly by temperature and rainfall, which determine what kind of life can survive in each area. Among the most important and contrasting biomes are tropical rainforests, deserts, and tundra. Each of these biomes has unique characteristics, yet all are connected through the global system of climate and ecosystems. In addition to these major biomes, features like oxbow lakes, although smaller in scale, also play an important role in supporting biodiversity within certain environments. The tropical rainforest biome is found near the equator, where temperatures are high and rainfall is abundant throughout the year. These regions receive heavy rainfall, often exceeding 2,000 millimeters annually, and the temperature remains warm with little seasonal variation. Because of these conditions, tropical rainforests are among the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. They are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, many of which are not found anywhere else. The structure of a tropical rainforest is complex and layered. At the top is the emergent layer, where the tallest trees rise above the rest. Below this is the canopy, a dense layer of leaves and branches that forms a roof over the forest. Most animals live in this layer because it provides food and shelter. Beneath the canopy is the understory, where smaller trees and plants grow in limited sunlight. At the ground level is the forest floor, which receives very little sunlight and is covered with fallen leaves and organic matter. Despite the richness of plant life, the soil in tropical rainforests is often not very fertile. This is because heavy rainfall washes away nutrients, and most nutrients are stored in the vegetation itself rather than in the soil. The rapid growth and decay of plants ensure that nutrients are quickly recycled within the system. Tropical rainforests play a crucial role in regulating the global climate by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. In contrast to the lush environment of rainforests, deserts are dry and often harsh environments where rainfall is very limited. Deserts receive less than 250 millimeters of rain per year, and temperatures can vary greatly between day and night. Some deserts are extremely hot during the day and very cold at night, while others, known as cold deserts, remain cool throughout the year. Life in deserts is adapted to survive in conditions of extreme dryness. Plants such as cacti store water in their thick stems and have spines instead of leaves to reduce water loss. Many desert plants have deep roots that reach underground water sources. Animals in deserts are also well adapted. Some are active only at night to avoid the heat of the day, while others can survive long periods without water by obtaining moisture from their food. The soil in deserts is often sandy or rocky and contains little organic matter. Wind plays a major role in shaping desert landscapes, creating features such as sand dunes and rock formations. Although deserts may appear lifeless at first glance, they are home to a variety of specially adapted plants and animals that have evolved to survive in extreme conditions. The tundra biome is found in the coldest regions of the Earth, mainly in the Arctic and at high altitudes in mountainous areas. It is characterized by extremely low temperatures, strong winds, and very short growing seasons. For most of the year, the ground is frozen, forming what is known as permafrost. This frozen layer prevents water from draining, so when the surface thaws slightly in summer, it becomes waterlogged. Because of these harsh conditions, vegetation in the tundra is limited to small plants such as mosses, lichens, and low shrubs. There are no tall trees because the ground does not allow deep root growth. Despite the cold climate, the tundra supports a range of animals, including reindeer, Arctic foxes, and migratory birds. These animals have thick fur or feathers to protect them from the cold and often change their behavior with the seasons. The tundra is a fragile biome that is highly sensitive to climate change. Even small increases in temperature can lead to the melting of permafrost, which can release greenhouse gases and further contribute to global warming. This makes the tundra an important region for understanding environmental change. While tropical rainforests, deserts, and tundra are large-scale biomes, Oxbow lakes represent smaller but significant ecosystems within river environments. Oxbow lakes are formed when a river cuts through a meander, leaving behind a curved, isolated body of water. These lakes are commonly found in floodplains, which may exist within different biomes, including tropical and temperate regions. Oxbow lakes provide important habitats for a variety of plants and animals. The still water allows aquatic plants to grow, which in turn supports fish, insects, and birds. Over time, Oxbow lakes may fill with sediment and organic matter, gradually turning into wetlands or marshes. These environments are rich in biodiversity and play a key role in maintaining ecological balance. The connection between biomes and Oxbow lakes highlights how different natural systems are linked. For example, in tropical rainforest regions, rivers flowing through dense vegetation may form Oxbow lakes that support additional wildlife. In drier regions, Oxbow lakes may be rare but still provide valuable water sources for plants and animals. Even in colder regions, similar water bodies can exist during warmer months. Human activities are affecting all these biomes and ecosystems. Deforestation in tropical rainforests reduces biodiversity and contributes to climate change. Desertification, which is the expansion of desert conditions into fertile land, is often caused by overgrazing and poor land management. In tundra regions, climate change is causing temperatures to rise and permafrost to melt. Oxbow lakes and river systems are also impacted by pollution, dam construction, and land use changes. Protecting these biomes and ecosystems is essential for maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Conservation efforts, sustainable resource management, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions are important steps toward preserving these natural environments. Education and awareness can also help people understand the importance of protecting nature. In conclusion, biomes such as tropical rainforests, deserts, and tundra represent the diversity of life and climate conditions on Earth. Each biome has unique features and supports different forms of life adapted to its environment. Oxbow lakes, though smaller in scale, are important ecosystems that enhance biodiversity within river systems. Together, these natural systems show how interconnected and dynamic the Earth is. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more interesting topics like this, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging and informative content.